Lesson 2.1, solving equations with addition or subtraction. We're going to start with some vocab, some that again you're probably familiar with and you've used before. The first is equation. Okay, so there's lots of different types of mathematical statements. The most common is probably an equation, and all you need to have a mathematical statement be an equation is to have an equal sign in it. Right? So an equation is going to have two sides, and those two sides are going to be equal. They're going to be balanced. You can think of it as being on an old set of scales. Okay, when you move one side up, the other side goes down. You want those to be balanced. You want them to be equal. Okay, the solution of an equation is not just going to be a number, but it's going to be a number or value for a variable that makes that equation true. It makes those scales balanced. All right. If you have x on one side and 2 plus 7 on the other, then to make that balanced, all right, you're going to need a 9 for x. So 9 would equal 2 plus 7. Okay. The last term is isolate the variable. And isolating the variable means you are getting it alone by itself on one side of the equal sign. Okay, and this is necessary in order to find the solution. Okay, you get your variable all by itself on one side, and then you solve the other side, and whatever is left after you've simplified that other side is going to be the value of your variable, and that'll be your solution. Okay. First concept is solving equations using addition. And we use addition to solve equations only when we have a subtraction. Okay, when we're subtracting something from the variable. So our goal is to isolate the variable, get our variable all by itself. All right, so to do that, we want to get rid of this -4 or move it away. Okay, so since it's a -4 or a -4 right now, if we add 4 to both sides, because whatever you do to one side you have to do to the other, we add 4 to both sides. 4, positive 4 minus 4 is going to cancel, and we're going to be left with our variable isolated. So we end up with 3 plus 4 equals x, and it's very easy to see that x is going to equal 7. Right? That's all there is to it for using addition to solve equations.